And now the gentleman I'm going to invite on stage, almost all of us know him, and the entire Andhra Pradesh knows him, half of South India knows him as the voice of Kishore Kumar. He recently commemorated the birthday of Abhas Kumar Ganguly, also known as our very own Kishore Kumar. None other than Shri Guru Prasad Deshpande. He is special here for today evening because also he spared his precious time and experience as one of the Indonesian side jury members for the Bollywood singing sensation of Indonesia 2020. Before we listen to his melodious voice, may I request Guru Prasad ji to please share about your experiences and journey, short journey of judging the tough competitors.
I think this was not in the syllabus. Very, very good evening, Your Excellency, Makaranji, thank you so much. And of course, Mr. Sheshadri ji, thank you so much for this fantastic opportunity. Well, just before I begin, I wanted to share a few experiences and thoughts. About a week back, I got a call from one of the most wonderful person, very sweet person with a very sweet voice. I picked up the phone, said hello, and on the other side it was Shri Makaranji. And very, with all humility, he put some few words and he told me, Guru Prasad ji, you must consent to be the jury of the Indonesian singing competition, the Bollywood singing competition. I said, jury, are you sure? He said, yes. And I said, okay. So he told me that I'm going to send you some few files and all you need to do is just listen to them and give your scores. I thought that was very easy actually. And I asked him very politely, how long do you think would this take for me? Because I didn't know how many participants. He said that there are only 80 participants or 81 participants and aapke liye to sirf 2 ghante ka kaam hai. He said just 2 hours you just spend on it and you'll be able to write. I said okay. I thought it was very easy. So then I opened my laptop. I started seeing one by one. I started hearing to one by one songs. Mind you, ladies and gentlemen, this was one of the toughest jobs so far assigned to me in my entire life. This is a fact which I am going to place on records. And I heard the first song, I heard the second, I heard the third. It blew me out of my proportion. I mean, all these were Indonesians. It started with the list which I went in the chronological order. And I started listening one by one. It has not taken 2 hours as promised by Shri Makaranji. It has taken me 3 full days. It has taken me 3 full days to listen to those songs because I started getting addicted to those singers. It is a true fact of life. I started getting addicted. And it took me through 3 full days and he asked me, so where are the results? I said, give me 1 more day because I had to digest. And then on the 4th day, I announced my results and it was, trust me, it was a Herculean task, a true Herculean task. I mean, just before I begin, if I may have to take a few seconds, you talk about the notes, they are bang on the sur, they are bang on the tal, they are bang on their pronunciation, diction. More than anything else, the expressions, the feel, the melody, the lyrical value, the harmonization of the songs, I wouldn't have done that myself. It was as beautiful. There's absolutely no sugar-coated words. And I mean this as a musician, as an artist, salutes to them. And thank you so much, Makaranji, for giving me such a tough task. I don't know whether I'll be able to do this justice, but I can only say one thing, that your assignment has made me tough. Thank you. Let's go on. So this is a song, a yesteryear Kishore Kumar number. All right. The super golden era of Rajesh Khanna and Kishore Kumar. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए, मिलन की मस्ती भरी आंखों में, हजारों सपने सुहाने लिए हो। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। So experience the power of yodeling, Kishore Kumar. ये मस्ती के नजारे हैं तो ऐसे में तुम्हारा कैसा मेरी कसम लहराती डगरिया हो चलो मैं कहता दे मेरी बाहों में मचल जाएगी वो सच्चे झूठे बहाने लिए हो। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। Are you all enjoying? Yeah? So let's all yodel together, okay? We all have to yodel together. Alright? Right. This is your Rajesh Khanna special. Here we go. वो आलम भी अजब होगा, वो जब मेरे करीब आएगी, मेरी कसम कभी मैया छुड़ा लेगी, कभी हंस के गले से लग जाएगी, हाँ मेरी बाहों में मचल जाएगी वो सच्चे झूठे बहाने लिए हो। चला जाता की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। बहारों में नजारों में नजर डालूं तो ऐसा लागे मेरी कसम वो नैनों में भरे काजल घूंघट खोले, खड़ी है मेरे आगे रे शर्म से भोजन, झुकी पलकों में जवारातों के खजाने लिए हो। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए, मिलन की मस्ती भरी आंखों में, हजारों सपने सुहाने लिए हो। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। कौन? ला 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 ला। क्या भगवान? ला 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 ला। All of you.